Hello. Today we're going to work on the median, the final measure of central tendency. And so please make sure you're working in the measure of central tendency packet part 2 and that you are on page 1, median. So let's get started. The middle number of a set of data is known as the median. The median separates the data into an equal number of data items on either side of the median. We find the median, middle number, after the data has been put in order from least to greatest. As you can see, that's very important since it's been highlighted and bolded. For instance, right now, 29 sits in the middle of this data, but 29 is not the median. So we have to put the data items in order first. We order the numbers from least to greatest, and it's a good idea to kind of cross them off as you go. Next, I want to make sure that I've accounted for all of my numbers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of the numbers are accounted for. On page 1, we're going to work with data sets that have odd numbers. So we'll have one number exactly in the middle. So if I look at starting at either end, there's one number from the beginning and the end, there's two numbers from the beginning and end, three numbers from beginning and the end, and so the exact middle number is 33. We can see there's the same amount of numbers, 3 on this side of the median and 3 on this side of the median. So when you have an odd set of data, you should have the same numbers on either side of the median. So the median for this set of data is 33. Let's go on to the next situation. The average temperature across Washington, Texas, Oklahoma, New York, Missouri, Georgia, and Hawaii are 48 degrees, 65 degrees, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, 54 degrees, 64 degrees, and 70, respectively. Find the median. Respectively means that the states are listed in the same order as the temperatures. So 48 it was Washington, 65 is Texas, 60 is Oklahoma, and etc. So in order to find the median, we're going to have to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to start with 40 degrees, and then 48 degrees comes next, 54 degrees, so 48 and 54 degrees. Again, it's a great idea to cross them off as you order them. 60 degrees, 64 degrees, 65 degrees, and finally 70 degrees. So let's count the original number of items, data items given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which makes sense since they listed 7 different states. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, we have an odd number of data items, which means we will find an exact middle number. And just like last time, it looks like we have 7 numbers. We have 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 1, 2, 3 counting backwards. So the middle number is 60. So let's be sure 3 numbers on one side and 3 numbers on the other. The median divides the data into two equal parts on either side of it. So the median is 60 degrees. So now please pause the video, and would you please put the data from letter B and D in order and then find the median. Then restart the video to check the answers. For letter B, there's only 5 data items, and the smaller the amount of data items, the easier it is to see the middle number. So the median is 23. Please go on to letter D. This should be a list of 9 science scores. And as we look at this, 72 is the middle number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's an even number of data items on either side of the median, which is 72. On our next lesson, we'll deal with finding the median when the data set has even numbers. Thank you.